And it knows where it's going?
It's crazy. No back edges is crazy. Bruh, it's giving Cynthia. It's giving Cynthia Erivo, Cynthia from Rugrats, all the Cynthias. I don't know what the girls are using. I don't know what the girls are doing, but they need to go ahead and revise the plan. It's a no.
Are you ready? Set, go. Oh. Too much. Bigger.
You want it to face her, to face you. If you're gonna record her, it's gonna take it. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Happy
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday
To you. Yeah, I ain't getting none of that. I can't tell. First of all, you can't even braid my hair all the way to the bottom. For real. They keep unraveling. But I can't tell you the last time I've ever seen when I try to detangle my hair, it looked this short. I know I was like, oh yeah, it's gonna grow back. But like, to see it actually wet, I'm real life bald headed. Girl, it's giving Cynthia. It's giving Cynthia Erivo, Cynthia from Rugrats, all the Cynthias. Jesus. All right now. It'll grow. It's just a hair. It's just hair. It's gonna grow back. What is that? Is that how the movie goes?
Now I let go and it just takes over.
And it knows where it's going?
It does.
All right. How long have you had this car?
About a year.
You like it?
I love it.
How long did it take to charge?
So there's different charging methods you can do. Supercharger stations.
Okay.
So those are the shortest periods of time to charge, which is like 30 minutes for a full charge.
Okay.
And if you
For a full charge, 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, I think don't they say some people could have like those in their house?
Yeah, so there are different methods you can do at your house too. If you want something that's really fast, you have to pay a lot of money to install that kind of thing. But like you know how a dryer plug is different from a regular plug?
Okay.
So those are 32 amps, and that one it takes like 7 hours. Overnight, it'll charge fully.
Nah, it's really moving by itself. This is so, I think this is so cool. That is so cool. It's a cool thing. Like, what in the world? It's driving
I only charge $50 for videos.
All right. What is it called again? A Sicilian somebody?
A Sicilian sunset.
Look at you remembering things. Thank you.
The cavalry. No, it's pretty.
Oh. Thank you so much.
Here. Want some cheese maybe on top?
Yes, please. Oh, not no cheese. All right, thank you. That's a lot. Oh, I broke your stuff. Thank you. Oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, how I love Jesus. One thing me, love me a fella.
Alrighty.
I got a friend. She said that she loves Wild Willing Garden. It's good?
Yep, definitely.
Mm-hmm. How is you? Balding. What the freak? This ain't even cute. Let me show y'all something. Do y'all know how much hair I just plucked out the back of my hair? Actually all over my hair. Them braids going to the back. I don't know what the girls are using. I don't know what the girls are doing. But they need to go ahead and revise the plan. It's a no. It's a no. Hold on. Cause it's coming out in clumps. It's coming out in clumps. Look at that, look at that, look at that. That's a follicle. That's a whole follicle clump. Hold on. That's a follicle clump. That's a follicle clump. Hold on. Cause I got a couple of more. Do you see that? It's squeak. I know you fucking lying. Girl, look at that. That's a bundle. Girl, I know the back of my neck is bald headed. I know in the back of my neck it's a bald headed. Y'all, please go ahead. Just... What back that look like? I'm bald headed back there? How the back of my hair ain't got no edges? That's crazy. No back edges is crazy. You know what? That's what I get. I'm glutton for punishment. Cause see, I keep saying I ain't going back to that girl. I ain't going back to that girl. Apparently, I'm not gonna learn until I'm over here with a mohawk to the side, and then my hair ain't growing back. This is what you get.